All right, let's take a look at the actual LED light. If you guys can see it, it's a smart LED ceiling light, and look how flush it is. All right, very thin. Now this is all included. I like this. This is a plus. I haven't seen it in any of the LED lights, but look at this. This is actually pretty good. All you got to do is just push it down and put your cable in there, and that's it. So they have neutral. They got your ground, and then they have the live. All right, so basically just drag it in there, drop it in there, and simple as that. So this is going to go on the ceiling. You mount it and you twist it in there. That's pretty much it. Makes contact, and in back of it, it tells you where to go. This is open, and you go the opposite way to close it. Right, very simple. They give you the actual control, a manual for the control. This I haven't seen for a while. And not only that, an option to set up on your phone too. It's all included in here, step by step. You're going to set up your Alexa, your Google Home, pretty much everything that you need. They give you the screws, drywall screws if you're going to mount this, and also extra screws that you need. This has plenty of LED lights around it, including the centerpiece. So we're going to put it together in a dull room that actually needs some upgrade. So we're going to go ahead and do that and see how it works. But I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is the current light that we have right now. If you guys can see it, it is completely dull in this part, this room right here. So we have a couple things here. We have LED lights that we turn on, but they're not as strong as this light. This light is really dead. So we're going to go ahead and remove it and replace it. So let's go ahead and do that. So we turn off the power, completely turn off the power, and make sure that the light bulb was off too. So I did a couple things before I even started this process. And I brought a tester with me to test this out and then test the line out too. So you guys can see that. I'm gonna this goes this way, then locking it. There we go. There we go. Ta-da! It was just a matter of moving it around. That's how it was. Didn't turn on. Got a little panic, but whew, we got it going. Let me turn it off. So you need to download the application on your phone so you can control the lights. So once you come in here, you go into Smart Light, the Wi-Fi. That one, you see it's blinking, and next, and then it's gonna start quick blinking. That's what it is. You want to make sure you're on the right Wi-Fi, and we're gonna have to wait. It's done, and then with the app, it's loading, and it's gonna give you a lot more options. Now we're halfway. We're gonna go ahead and go all the way up, the other way, all the way up, and then move it all the way to the end, and there it is. We're controlling it. And then we could go to the other options through RGB lighting. She's gonna put yellow there. And you could turn off the light from there. Turn on the light. Now we got the RGB lighting. And the RGB lighting it goes around it. So go ahead and change the RGB lighting, put any color. Okay, go to red. If you guys notice. So we're gonna go in red here. We're in red there. Basic, easy to use. If you don't have a controller, you can always remote controller. You could use Alexa, you could use Siri, you could use Google to turn off the lights. Very simple too. All right, with the audio, this is what you do with the audio. You could do test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the room, how we have it. We have LED, RGB lighting all around it, but now we included the center. And let's go ahead and turn it on with the remote, and we're gonna put it as bright as you can, the white bright. There you go. And then if you want to lower it down, go ahead and lower it down again. And then we're gonna go back, we're gonna put RGB lighting now on this one. So if you want to match your blue, let's match the blue, please. Can we match the blue? Go to RGB lighting and match the blue. And there we are, we're matching our room here. Then you could dim it down if you want. Awesome device. I like the light itself. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.